Hi everybody and welcome to this week's science video with myself, Becca from the North East Autism Society, and this week I'm joined by Tony and Danny from the Life Science Centre Newcastle.
Hello.
Hi.
So can you tell us a bit more about what we're going to be doing this week, please?
Today we're going to be doing an experiment to look at what fizzes faster, a tablet or a powder. You need two people for this experiment, and each person will need a plastic bottle, a balloon, some water. One of you is going to need a spoon.
Okay.
And some fizzy tablets.
Okay.
Fizzy tablets.
So we need our grown-ups, I think, at this point, so we know what we're using safe, and so we have some supervision.
Definitely. So like I say, we're going to be working in pairs for this. One of you is going to set up the experiment for the powder, and one of you for the tablet. Tony, which one would you like to do?
I'll do the tablet.
All right then. The first few steps are going to be the same for both of us, but I'll tell you when there is something different to do.
Okay.
First up, you need your bottle and you're going to pour in some water. I'd say about 3 fingers deep.
Okay.
So I notice you've both got different sized bottles. So do you think if we're using different sizes, will that affect the outcome maybe?
If you can, I would get bottles that are the same size, but generally the effect should work the same. And our bottles aren't too different in size. It's not like one of us has a massive 2-litre one. But good question. Our next step, we're going to put our water to one side and we'll need our balloon and our tablet. And with one tablet each, you're going to break it in half and put it inside the balloon.
Are these tablets scented then? Because we might be smelling some different smells at this point.
Mine are very orangey.
Yeah, mine are orangey smelling too, and they feel very crumbly.
And they might make a bit of a fizzing noise. So it might be neat to be aware of that as well.
Good thought. So we'll break it into half and put the pieces inside our balloon.
Okay, so 2 pieces into the balloon.
Yeah. And again, the balloon has a the balloon has a bit of a smell as well, so that's something to be aware of.
Quite a funny texture as well, balloons.
Yeah, because they're stretchy.
So this is where it's going to be a little different for one of your people. The person who's doing the powder, in that case me, you'll need to take the spoon and crush up the tablet in your balloon. So I'm going to hold the end to stop any of it escaping, and I'm going to be pushing down to break it up.
So although you put a tablet inside, now you're going to have tiny little pieces of powder.
Exactly. Okay, so now one of you will have powder and the other still has the whole pieces. You need to take your bottle and you're going to stretch the lip of the balloon around the top of the bottle. But be careful that you don't tip in any of the bits of tablet yet.
Okay, stretching it over the bottle.
Looks quite fiddly, this bit, doesn't it? So
definitely
again, we might
time.
need our grown-ups' help with this.
Yeah.
Go check it's secure. It looks good. Okay, it's almost time for the experiment to begin properly and for us to see which one reacts faster. We're going to, and I'm going to say the instructions now because it happens quite quickly, and then we'll do them. We're going to pick up the balloon, and so all the bits inside fall out into the water. You might need to give it a gentle shake to get it out, or in the case of the person who has the whole tablet, you might need to stretch up the balloon a little bit because the pieces might get a little bit stuck. Are you okay with all that, Tony?
Yep.
All right then. So, on the count of 3, do you want to give us a countdown, Becca?
Yeah. Right. 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Oh,
Oh,
mine is stuck. Oh, there we go.
there we go. Yeah, mine's gone in as
You can
well.
see something happen with Danny's there.
Ooh,
Yeah. Oh,
mine's
look,
already starting to fizz. You can
Oh.
see bubbles.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Oh, wow.
oh, so my
Oh,
balloon
Nice.
has popped up, and you can hear it fizzing as well.
Mine's got a little bit of air in it, but it hasn't filled up the balloon yet.
And so we can see that both of ours are reacting. They're both bubbling. They're both fizzing. But my balloon has filled up, and it's quite tight when I squeeze it. Whereas yours is still on the way.
Yeah, it's got a little bit of air in.
Oh, there we go.
Wow.
So,
But I think yours won the race. Yours fizzed the fastest.
so we
It's a
can
lot
say,
bigger as well, isn't it?
yeah, based on this experiment, we can say that the powder fizzes faster. It reacts faster. Because
So if they're exactly the same type of tablet, why does one fizz faster than the other?
that's a good question, Tony. So the tablets are the same, as you say, and they have 2 chemicals in them. When those chemicals touch water, they start to react together and make carbon dioxide gas. And as more and more gas is made, it starts to leave the bottle and it goes into the balloon, and the balloon traps it. But for the powder, there are a lot more surfaces, a bigger surface area for the reaction to happen. And so the reaction happens faster, gas is made faster, and it goes into the balloon faster, meaning the balloon fills up a lot faster than with just the tablet.
So the finer the powder, the more water it's touching, and the faster the gas gets produced.
Exactly.
Yeah. So if we wanted to test out different reactions, could we maybe do things such as use different amounts of water or fizzy tablets?
Definitely something to try. Maybe you could try breaking one tablet into quarters as well, so you have another amount of pieces.
Yeah. Brilliant. Thanks very much. That's been great. I'm sure everyone will love this week's. So if you do try it out at home, let us know. Share your photos and videos with us. We would love to see. But thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you next week. Bye.
Bye.